How to set up doorbell in Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add this device. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and here on the top, tap on device. So this is the place where you can directly add device. Either you can scan it or you can search for it. So here I'm searching for it. Now even make sure you have a Bluetooth and location services on. So after you do that, here you can select it. Here I'm tapping on doorbell. Here you can select the type of doorbell that you have. So here I'm tapping on one, and also make sure the Bluetooth device is on. After doing that, you can directly connect them both, and later Google Home will automatically detect it and later have full control of your doorbell too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.